Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to publish store in Shopify. So in my case I'm going from inside my accounts, just click on store. So when you sign up, the first page you will see is to create and publish your store. So simply just wait for a few seconds. So here we are direct available on this page. So just click on create another store. I already 3 stores there, so simply just I have to create a new one. So just simply type the store name here and now click on next and now wait for a few seconds. Our store is being created here, so it will take some time. So after that, now we are going to next page. So here you can customize all these options according to your choice. Now click on next. So here type the address and name. After this click on enter my store and now it will take some time. So now here you can see finally we have successfully created our store and it is available to publish. So here you can add products and make collections, and after setting all these you can easily publish your store in Shopify.